Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Random Encounters. I feel I need to explain this situation a little bit because I lost some of the footage. Anyway, what happened was I was filtering up to the front of traffic and I saw this police officer on the corner and he had his back turned. He wasn't looking at me. So I thought I'd be cheeky and ride over the stop line, only by a foot, just so I could be ahead of the traffic because I'd just finished filtering here. He turns around and he looks directly at me and then he approaches me. I was crapping myself thinking he was gonna give me a ticket, but here's what happens. Hello there.
They're blocking the roads off to the left.
Oh, crikey. Alright, thanks for the heads up. Cheers. That was nice of him. He specifically told me, it's like, the other drivers, just sod the rest of them. I thought I was gonna get into shit there for going ahead of the line there. Walking into the bus. It's walking into the bus. Ah, look, that's how much room I've got left. Bang. Do your thing, girl. I gave room to the bus. Fucking ducking, diving, weaving. This is a fucking boxing match here. And that cyclist had plenty of room. I don't know how the camera made it look, but oh, this is good. Yeah. Oh. Look at me, I'm a pedestrian. Whee! He's laughing. What the fuck is going on here? They're like Mario mushrooms. Mushroom Kingdom and shit. I'm going to review some of my bits. I don't do enough reviews. I don't tell you guys much about my shit. So I think maybe I should, because that information might be important to some of you guys. This fucking kink. It's probably ruining my precious. Ugh. Ugh. Just so you know, currently recording in HDR mode, and boy, it makes a difference. There's so much detail in, well, the dynamic ranges basically, so I need to test the HDR mode on this camera, and I think this might be a good spot for it. HDR mode on. HDR mode off. HDR mode is on. 30 frames per second. HDR mode is off. HDR mode is on.